Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Maulin and I am here for a presentation. I am a working employee in a tech world and I am here for something new and very much innovative, which will be very much helpful for the youth as well as the lower income group and the student as well. So let's begin with the presentation. As we all know that many people nowadays are very much talented and they also have lots of urge to do new things, but the only thing which is stepping them down to achieve that is the technology they don't have and the internet access. So here we are raising up funds for the students and the youth groups so they can access the internet and they can allow the technology and use the online platform to study. Nowadays, many youth people are facing financial issues, and as we all know, due to the COVID, and which is giving them very much depressing situation in achieving their dreams. So the one thing they are just need is a technology and a correct use of that. I have seen many students and the youth who are facing from the financial issues and stepping down from their career and which are not able to success in their career. Many brilliant students are also not able to success in the career due to the financial issues. So I think everyone should have a right to learn and grow in their career and in their field, and money should not be a hurdle in the achieving their goals. So our main motto is to cut down that hurdles and for them. So what I think is we are opening a 4 computer hubs which will be very much helpful for the youth people and the lower income family people. They can come and have the internet access and access the computers, and which will be very much helpful in the future. We are planning for opening that in the 4 main directions in the city, which are located in the different part, and which will be very much convenient for the people to commute and access the internet, and they can also work very efficiently. So we are planning for 2 things, like one is the coding and another is the digital marketing. We are planning for a part-time course which can be helpful for them in achieving the skills and also better development of their future. So we can have a lesson for codings, because as we all know that coding is very much high trained skill, and it don't come with it comes with only practice. It don't come with the knowledge, so we have to practice for that. Also we are planning for a digital marketing classes, so from that student can also learn the skills for digital marketing, as we all know that digital marketing also booming right now. So digital marketing includes the SEO and all that. So besides that, the digital marketing also can help them to promote any products and to be published on the digitally, and they can earn money from that, from advertising the different product and also running the SEO. And in our generations, this is like I'm proposing for the youth and the students to enlighten their future. Moreover, we are asking for help from your side to raise fund so that we could reach our goal of like making this thing happen. Our main goal is to raise approx $1 million, which will be very much beneficial, and which we are planning to do from is like we are investing 80,000 and for the computer labs and 20,000 for the trading and courses for the part-time students.